Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl and today I have a Nadine West unbagging to share with you guys. So Nadine West is a monthly subscription service. They send you both clothing and accessories. There is a fee of $9.78, which is actually the shipping cost that you're paying. However, the $9.78, if you do decide to keep something from within your bag, that $9.78 will go towards anything that you decide to purchase. So yeah, it's a cute little service. It's sort of along the lines of a Stitch Fix. However, it's a much more affordable type of service. So you do, when you unbag these, you do want to be careful with the envelope because you are going to return anything that you don't want to keep in the same bag that it comes in. They also send you a return mailer and you just stick everything back in the bag, put the return mailer on, send it back, everything is good to go. So let's just get into the bag today. I'm super excited to see what they have sent me this month. And so there is my little bundle. Looks like some neat colors in there. So let's just see. Okay, so the jewelry always comes to you in these little baggies. And so it looks like the first pair of earrings is just a little, it's like a little gold drop earring, little circular. I don't know how well the camera is picking that up. They have like a little rhinestone set. They're very unique looking. I haven't seen anything like that. The earrings, these are I think $7.99. So those are cute. All right. The next pair I have is actually, if I can get it out of the baggie, they're calling these, they're like a black and gold. Those are different. They're calling these the Diamond Dangle. These are actually $12.99. Those are cute. Those are different. I haven't seen anything like that. And these are another little, they're a little bit tangled up. Okay, these are like a gold drop earring with like a chain and like a little gold and like rhinestone sets, little dangly. Those are neat. That's different. These are $9.99. I'll just go over all the jewelry first so I can get it kind of out of the way so I don't lose it. And these are basically just a little rhinestone set, basically. Very, very simple little rhinestone set. These are $7.99 as well. Okay, so let's get into the clothes. So the first thing that she has sent me is a little top. It's like a navy with a floral print, if I could speak. It has a roll tab sleeve. It's very, very stretchy. This is by the brand DNA Couture. Alrighty, and this one, I think they're calling this Classic Flowers. It is $28.99. And so the next item that I have is a little, this is a little dress. This is by Zanana Premium. This one is $35.99. It's like in a really, they're calling it mauve. It's kind of almost like a lavender color. Has a little cross neck detail, very stretchy, front pockets. I've actually received something very similar to this, a little dress very similar to this from them in like a burgundy color, I think. So the next thing that I have, these are by Popular 21. These are just some little lounging leggings. In a cropped length. These are $17.49. They're like black. They're the high-waisted with like a gray high-waisted detail. So we will try those. And this is by Heart Hips. This is a kind of like a ribbed material, like a lace-up front let's see what they are calling this. They're calling it the laced up sweater in tan. This is $26.99. I'm not sure. It's kind of stretchy around the neck. I don't know if it's something that you can wear off the shoulder as well, but we'll try these on and we will see what we think, and I'll be back in just a few seconds to show you what they look like on, so please stay tuned. First up are the little leggings. They're calling these the lounge around leggings. They are super high-waisted. They have like the wide gray band and then they're black at the bottom. They're like a cropped length. These are $17.49. They're super stretchy, be great for lounging. So yeah, these are just like a really soft, stretchy cotton little capri. Okay, so I just left the little leggings on and grabbed this little dress. They're calling this the Abbey Dress. They're calling it mauve. It's kind of a light purple, actually, I would call it. It does have the crisscross detail at the neck. It's sort of like I think they call it like a trapeze kind of dress. It's very flowy, very stretchy. It does have the pockets. This one is $35.99. So it's cute, it's comfy. I don't think that it's particularly my style, but it would be a very comfy little dress. So I grabbed this little top. This is by DNA Couture. It's a navy with a floral print. It is very, very sheer. You would definitely have to wear something under this. It does have the roll tab sleeve. It is very fitted. Has little buttons in front. It does have like a front pocket. I think this one is $28.99. I'll leave all the prices and names in the description box below of everything that I've received in case you see something that you like, that you would like to request. There it is from the back. And I don't think this is particularly my style either. It's not a bad little top. If it wasn't so sheer, because I'm just not gonna keep anything that I'm gonna have to create that many layers if it's not a cardigan. That's just me, so yeah. Okay, and the last item in this bag for this month is this little top. It's by Heart Hips, and it is in tan. This one is $26.99. They're calling it the laced up top. It does have the little grommets, the little lace up detail in front. Sort of like a dolman sleeve. It hits about hip length. It's a like a ribbed sort of material. Yeah. I guess it's sort of a three-quarter sleeve. And here it is from the back. So yeah. So every video that I make in the month of November, I want to take a moment at the end and let you know some of the things that I am thankful for. And so today I have two extremely random things, but I am incredibly thankful for both of these things. And that is my ability to sleep 8 hours without any problem at all. And I know that sounds so funny, but I hear so many people who say that they're lucky, they feel like they're lucky if they can even get 4 hours of sleep a night. And I can honestly say that I absolutely have never ever had any trouble sleeping. And I know that I know now that that is something that is unusual, I guess, because I hear more people say that they do have trouble sleeping than there are those of us like me who sleep really well every night. So I am truly thankful to be able to get good sleep. And the second random thing that I am incredibly thankful for is free Wi-Fi. Oh my goodness. I have had lately some of the worst trouble ever with my Wi-Fi at home, and also with my phone, using my phone as a hotspot. I've had a lot of trouble lately with that, and so I'm so incredibly thankful. Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you, McDonald's. Thank you, everyone who offers free Wi-Fi. you are a lifesaver in getting some of these YouTube videos uploaded, and I do appreciate it, and I am thankful for those things. And so take a moment and think about all of the things that you are thankful for. All of us certainly have many things that we can be thankful for, and so yeah, just take a moment and think about that and reflect on that. So I hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. So until next time, bye.